Hey guys, it's Mo with Deep Impact Boats, and today we're on this brand new Deep Impact 399 Sport that we have available. This boat is powered by quad Mercury Racing 500R engines capable of reaching speeds up to 93 miles an hour. Here in the leading post, we have a small summer kitchen with a sink, small mini fridge, and a pull-out garbage bin. On this boat, we went with the all-white hull with a simple blue accents, which gives it a nice clean look, but also leave you the choice of going with a wall paint job if you choose to. This boat has a custom interior and sea deck to match the color scheme of the boat. This 39 is equipped with dual row seating to accommodate your guests. Here at the helm, this boat is equipped with a full Garmin Electronics package with 19-inch screens, transducer, bow thruster, and a full JL sound system throughout the boat. Up at the bow, we have 4 lounge chairs where your guests can sit comfortably. Up at the bow, we have U-shaped seating with fold-down backrest. Inside the cabin, we have an AC with inverter. We also have a head with a sleeping area and a small sink. All right, guys, well, thank you for joining us on this walkthrough of this brand new Deep Impact 399 Sport. For more information, please visit us at deepimpactboats.com.